Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use a Brother sewing machine and kind of how to sew. Okay, so now first you need to know that all sewing machines are different. Some are fancier, some are less, okay? So keep that in mind. Now first we're gonna run our thread. Now you're gonna wanna choose a color. I've chosen blue. Put it in the holder. Your holder may be different, so I'm not showing that. Now, there will probably be a little thing that says 1. You're gonna put in that. Now, you're gonna put it in the thing that says, and there will be a thing that says 2. Now, once you make it in 1, you're gonna wanna make sure that your needle is slightly high, and you'll see a little metal piece in one of the slots. Now, put it through the first slot, loop it around like that, go like that. Okay, now you're good with that. So, there will be a little teeny tiny hook. It'll say 6. Now put it in there. Now there will be a thing on the side, you can see it. It is 8. Now just do that. Now make sure your needle is the highest it can go, and pull it tight if you want to. Now you see this little lever? So mine broke off earlier. So whoa.
Did you say my name?
No. Sorry about that. So mine broke off earlier, see? But I can still use it. So just gonna go flip like that. Okay, boom. Now right there. So there will be a little loop behind your needle. You're just gonna wanna grab that, pull it out. Okay, now that you're done with this, you're gonna wanna, okay, sorry about that. So now that you've got it all looped together, you're gonna zoom in on that. Okay, so now that you've got it all good, and make sure that you have thread in here. Now just slide in there, slide it through the gap, and okay, that's all good now. Boom. So now you're gonna want to turn on your sewing machine. Now, remember, all sewing machines are different, okay? So you're gonna take whatever you want to sew. So right now, I'm making this. It looks horrible. Yes, I know that. Don't roast me in the comments. So, yeah, this looks horrible right now. Trying to make it a bag. Okay, so I'm gonna trim it real quick. Okay, that's good. So you're gonna just do it. So just lay it out how you want it. I want it folded like this. So now you're gonna slide where you want it stitched under right. You're gonna want to slide where you want it stitched right on there. Now so you're gonna use your hand to drive it around because it's gonna pull there. So now, and then if you want to, you can use another hand. So now there will be a little lever on the side. Flip that, it'll come down. Now, and I'm assuming you know how to set up the sewing machine. So step down on the pedal. Oh no. Dang it. So sometimes stuff like this happens. It didn't loop properly, so quick. Need to fix this. All the way up. So boom, boom, and oh my gosh, boom. Okay, now make sure your needle is the highest it can go. Now, well, make sure your needle is the highest it can go. This is the highest, so, and just gonna go like that, boom. Now, you see this little loop right there? You're gonna wanna just pull on it. Pull on it from the back. Don't pull it from the front because then you'll have to redo this process. Okay, so now here we go. Now you can start off slow, you can go fast. Now it's recommended if you're doing this for the first time, you go slow. But if you feel comfortable with it, you can go like that, okay? So now, okay, there we go. So now you're gonna flip this up. Now you're gonna just check around. Now, well, yeah, and then bring the thing up and flip this around. Now, set that back down, and then now it's going to do some backwards, and that will tighten it up, and you don't have to do a lot. So now I'm done. There's a little leveler back here, pull that up, boom. Okay, now if you want to and you want more space, some sewing machines, you can lift up that lever higher and then you get more room, and then, oh dang it, I used the wrong scissors. Well, those scissors weren't sharp, so that's why I have this pair of scissors. Okay, there we go. Now that little white, that's stuff that I put in right down there, that is the color that is under it. So boom. Now you can just look around, see if there's any imperfections, and just go and okay, and just cut it off. Okay, now that you've made it to your liking, however that is, okay, well, okay, why does that keep on happening? So now I want this little part right here, I want that folded, and I want that to stay there. So now, go like that, and ow. That hurt me. And it scared me. Okay. Okay, it came out of the loop again. Okay. Sometimes nothing likes to cooperate with you. So, okay, we have fixed it. Now, remember to flip that down. I almost forgot. Now, and go. Okay, and stop. Okay. Cut that. And cut that. Okay, boom. And please like and subscribe. And by the way, I told you that all sewing machines are different. So ours has a screen. No idea why I touched that. Although only this part of the screen is touch screen. Okay. Bye.